Okay, so hi everyone. I'm Vasyl. This is the Uwe. We have met in the nice city of Spanish city Malaga, and today we would like to talk a little bit about the successful trading, how we get to trading, both of us, and also discuss some ticket trips for beginners in trading. So, hi Uwe.
Hi, Vasyl. Nice to meet you here.
Nice to meet you too. I'm very glad that you came. So, because I live in Spain a little bit more than a year, because of the war, I have to move here. Uwe came to visit me, and we talked a lot about the trading as usual. And today we would like to discuss our trading path. So, what was your first step in trading? When and why you decided to become a trader?
I started trading 1997. I traded stocks, and it was the dotcom bubble
Hmm.
this time. So it was very easy to make money because whatever you bought,
Yeah,
it went up
it will raise and raise and
100,
raise.
200, 500%, sometimes in a day.
Hmm.
So it was easy money. I was 18 years old and I make some solid money at this time. Whatever good money is when you're 18 years old.
For sure.
I
Like,
bought a car of this money,
hmm.
so when the crash came, I was not hurt too much.
Hmm.
Uh, the other money I transfer it to funds
Hmm.
or some value stocks, so I was okay. And
Hmm.
then you go on and you look in the internet and you see forex, etc., and you want to try it. So I started with day trading. The thoughts or the thinking is you have, if you do more,
Hmm.
you will make more money. And this is a main mistake of every trader, especially new ones who want to trade a lot.
But I'd like to ask you, do you agree that this feeling of profit from the trading on any deal on exchange, it's like very special feeling?
Yes, it is.
So yeah,
It
so
feels good to make money
everybody
this way.
who at least once opened the real position, it doesn't matter if you trade the mini contracts or the big, or you buy a lot of stocks on only couples, this feeling you will not forget. My way was a little bit different. When I was 19, I was interested in finance when I was much more younger. I saw a couple trading movies. I think you know them, The Wall Street with the Michael Douglas,
Yes, yes, of
and
course.
I think the Pit Trading or something like this with the Eddie Murphy. It's a nice comedy.
I know the.
And for me it was like special world, some finance and so. So, but when I came a little bit older in the university, I started studying the technical analysis book and some more information about the stock exchange trading, about futures trading, and then I joined the group of traders who were older than me and more experienced. We start creating like trading team in 2003, and in 2004 I made my first trade on big S&P 500. Came to trading a little bit later than you,
Uh-huh.
but anyway, it was very special experience because our trading account that time was a little bit more than 100,000. We made the good profit, and it was our good first step for me to understand that I want to be in this business for all my life.
Yes, you also said you trade the big S&P
Yeah.
500. Maybe you want to tell the people how much 1 point is and.
1 point was account. It's like $50 because the E-mini S&P is was divided to four. The mini, it's four mini contracts. It's one the big one, and the initial margin was $17,000. We traded between 4 and 10 big contracts. For me, 23 years old, not teenager, but young man, it was
Yes.
very hard, and I feel this
Emotions.
the emotions, yeah, was very high. Then, by the way, if we start talking about the S&P 500, we were trading S&P 500, big S&P 500, but in and using the technical analysis. By the
Yes.
way, it was a very important part of our trading team. We have the not personal, but in the team we have the technical analytic who were making the general analysis for each day for the trading session. Then I was like a junior trader, so I put these analytical levels on the chart. We were using CQG as a platform. So, and in 2005, 2006, we start feeling that the market start changing. The S&P 500 moved from big S&P to e-mini, to electronic trading, because the S&P 500 was traded in the pit. We cannot follow the volumes on big S&P while the main trading session was held by. So, general trading activity moved to E-minis S&P 500. We start looking for the volumes, but we didn't understand yet this time how valuable was this
Yes.
information. But in the early 2006 or late 2005, we start counting the volume per each trading session. And then when we counted it first time and put these volume levels on the chart, we understood that this information was very important.
Yes.
We knew that the pit traders was very like more informed than all real traders outside of the exchange of any exchanges. So and when the trading become electronic, this volume information came available for all regular traders, but there was no any trading tools to follow these volumes, collect these volumes, and analyze it.
So this was your idea to start with the platform, I think.
Exactly. Yeah, we made first step we made for ourselves. We found the very professional programmer who is our partner now in Wolfix, and we started to make like a counter. We called it all prices. We don't have now this kind of search tool in Wolfix, but it was one of the first search tools at all in the platform. So it shows us how many contracts were traded on each price levels. And when we put these price levels on the chart, we understood how valuable this information
Yes.
was.
I
And
understand.
that was the beginning of the Wolfix. And in 2007, we decided to create the platform in general. 22nd August 2006, the date birth of Wolfix platform.
Very nice.
So, Uwe, why do you think that the volume? What's your opinion about the volume when you decided to use the volume in your trading, and how was your experience?
It's very important and valuable information because you, like you said, you see the levels where a lot of volume is traded, and these levels are acting like support levels, like resist levels. But also, if you understand how these levels and the volume works, you understand why the market is going up and where the zones are which the market has to hold before, for example, you think about shorting the market or something. So you have a very good inside information about levels, price, and I call it like the status of the market. We see movement and stability of. We see the volume is rising and goes with the price. The levels move upside with the rising price levels. So you understand that it's a safe market. And so it's much more better risk control, better levels for entry and exit as well. So yeah, you get more and valuable information than without the volume information. So that's why I use it, and I will use it forever because I can't. How should I work without now? it does not work for me.
It's true. I'd like to add something that when we use the technical analysis, it's useful tools also like trend lines,
You're right.
moving averages, etc. But when you put your trend line on the chart, it's your point of view on the market. But when you watch the price of the deal, the time of the deal, and the volume of the deal, this information is true information. You cannot change it.
Yes.
So when you analyze it and put this information on the chart, you are following the all people who are taking part in the trading on this instrument. And also it means that you follow the big money because the large volumes mean the large money, and big money means the big information and much more insights or something like this information, and only large money behavior on the market can show you the real situation in the market.
Exactly. Exactly.
So what we can say for the beginners, how to start trading, what the first steps and what mistake they should avoid.
First of all, they have to understand the context of the market. I think it's not. We need the volume, but if you only use the volume, like you said, it's you need to understand the information. What is a market who moves up, who moves down? It's basic, and a lot of people don't have this basic information or use it today because they think I only use volume and trade every volume up and down I see. But this is you can do it the wrong way as well. We have to
I
say.
agree with you.
So it's very important to start slowly, understanding market structure. I call it the context of the market, where we are in a big picture, in a big cycle, and then you put the volumes, for example. This is the technical thing. Then you have to understand which market would you like to trade. Do you want to trade futures? Do you want to trade stocks? It depends on your personality, on your risk level. And especially for the beginners, I know everyone wants to make the fast money, so you use the high leverage, so you can make a lot of money every day, but you can also lose a lot of money every day. Everyone knows it.
And
So it would be better you go very slow with non-leverage products
instruments.
like stocks or ETFs,
Hmm.
so you can collect informations, you can learn, practice, and go on this way, and you can find your personality. You want to make more day trading, or maybe you are more a swing trader. Not every person is a day trader with
I
leverage.
agree with you. It's not.
These are all points you have to think out, but sometimes you have to think out it with another person. For example, a coach who tells you what's maybe the better way for you. What do you think about this important
For the
for the
beginners,
beginners?
actually, first of all, you should beware of proposition from the coaches and other people who promise you easy money in short term. Like you cannot become a professional trader in 3 and even in 6 months. In
Yes.
3 6 months you can get the basic knowledge, you can start understanding the market, you can start understand how to trade, what means long or short position, and so on. You can make your first trades, but you cannot become a professional trader in 3 6 months. Like the other profession, trading needs a lot of skills. First of all, you need to be very disciplined because your trading plan is like at least 50-60% of your success each day. If you don't take trading plan which you're prepared before your trading session, you will lose your money anyway. So also, if you're a beginner, you can try to trade prop. Why props? Props allows you to trade the same real market but with the fixed losses. If you lose, you don't lose all your account like if you will trade your real money with any broker. If you trade with the prop, you lose money which you paid for the practice. So keep in mind it too. If you cannot pass the practice, you are not ready for the real money. So
Yes,
what
exactly.
what, what would you like to say at
Yeah,
at the end?
it's very good information to start with, for example, with prop. because you can't lose a lot of money. I did this mistake. I started with real accounts years ago in trading, and I lose all the money 3 times. But it was a mistake I made. I knew I made the mistake because I don't use stops. It was my personality. It was my ego because I think I know what I do and I have the control over the market, but the market showed me no, he has control over me and my account, and so they were gone. If this time there was no prop trading in Germany, uh,
Yeah, it's a little
if
bit new
there
theme,
was
but
if there was prop trading, I have not lose all this money. Okay, now it's a long time ago. It was not so much money, but today what I see, beginners, as you say, if you don't go through the whole process, you are not ready. But people trade 6 weeks in a demo account and then
and
start with a
start
real account
thinking that they
and
are ready.
use all the money they have, 10,000, 20,000, 30,000 or more, put it on this account and start, and then bad things could happen and happened.
So,
But
what we can advise you, you can visit our website to get more free videos and information about how to trade, how to start trading. What do you need first? You can get our trial for Wolfix platform, best platform in volume analysis. You can get. We have cross-platform desktops. It's available for macOS, Windows, Linux. Also, we have application for both operating system iOS and Android. So join us, follow us, and you can ask any questions you want in the comments. So next time we can answer them. Thank you and have a profit trading days as much as you can.
thank you. Bye.
Bye.